but they must be able to run their code, so that because there are many companies who ask not only about the logic or problem solving ability, but they also ask about their coding skills.
Welcome to the podcast, sir.
Hello.
As we begin, let me just ask you, what inspired you to pursue computer science as a field?
It started in my 11th and 12th when I was fascinated by looking at the computers. I consider computers not as a machines, but the way it has transformed our lives in this technological era. And that has given me, motivation to do my master's also in computer science and engineering. Even I completed my PhD in the same field.
So as we're discussing your early life, what influences or habits do you think have shaped you and your career?
There are few values which has shaped my career, and these values I have instilled from my family members, from my colleagues. And one of the first value is the discipline. The second is the continuous learning, whatever is the situation. Third thing is the ethics and the morals. This point is related to what is to be done and what is not to be done, and having clarity on it. And the last part is giving respect to each and every individual.
So as someone who's worked across teaching, research, administration, and leadership, what major challenges do you think you have faced, and how did you navigate them?
Yes, it is very difficult to manage all this teaching, research, leadership, and administration at one place. If I talk of teaching, it's all about continuous learning. When you learn continuously, it will make you updated in the today's technological era. And the same thing you can propagate it to your students also. If you talk of research, it's all about maintaining the consistency. You need to devote a specific time so that you can do the research work. And the third thing is the administration or the leadership. When you talk of administration or leadership, it's all about the people management. When you talk of people management, it's all about empowering them so that they can do the work in a trust manner, as well as they can take their own decisions. But again, you need to maintain the ethics into that.
Got it, sir. Now, as we're already discussing academics, what according to you is the future direction of computer science? And what do you think are the opportunities that are opening up for students?
Future direction of computer science, you might have heard number of times about artificial intelligence, and that is what right now we are able to see each and everywhere. But in future there will be the blending of various fields. Computer science is not only about computer science now. It's all about usage of computer science technology, as well as its framework and everything, into other fields also. You talk of other fields, healthcare related fields, where computer science is one of the major, it plays a major role. You talk of biomedical, biotechnology, there also computer science plays a major role. You talk of dairy technology, food technology, there also computer science plays a major role. If you talk of only computer science, then the blockchain, cybersecurity, the usage of 5G, 6G, these all are the next technological advancements which are going to the world is going to see. Thank you.
For sure, sir. As we already discussed, student opportunities and placements are usually the main concern. What key skills or qualities do companies look for, and how can students prepare themselves to make them industry ready?
Yes, this is very important question. Students must have the technical skills, critical thinking, the problem solving ability, and soft skills. Placement should be considered a very important part in students' life. Here at Parul University, we gave more than 10 different offer letters to the students so that they can choose by themselves that in which company they want to opt for. So for that, students require that level of mindset, so that they should consider these placement companies as the opportunities to grow. Once they face different companies, the technical persons from those companies, they will definitely come to know that what kind of questions have been asked, and there is always a scope of learning from that also.
Understood. As an engineering student myself, how do you think students can best utilize the 4 years?
4 years, first 2 years are always considered as the foundation. So when you talk of first 2 years, it's all about students should learn the basics. They should understand each and every technical buzzword which are mentioned in their syllabus. Once after these 2 years, they should start exploring. In exploring, when I say exploring, it's all about taking participation in various national as well as international events, like hackathons, like various events at international levels. You can say in terms of research also, we have a really good entrepreneurship and development cell. So they also ask students to, if they have a really good idea, that they can also register themselves to this entrepreneurship and research and development cell. Apart from that, students should take project-based learning. It is really very important, because project-based learning, it's all about or it is giving students to an opportunity to learn with the peers also. It will give the opportunity to work in a team. So this is what about the 4 years, utilization of 4 years.
Right now, what opportunities do you think students are exposed to that weren't present earlier?
Currently, the students have a platform. That is what I would like to say. The students have each and every platform where students can showcase themselves. It's not only about the technical platform. It's all about having some extracurricular activities also, co-curricular activities also. And Parul University provides this kind of platform to the students. If a student has a really good idea, and if he or she thinks that I can go ahead with this particular idea, then we have our entrepreneur cell. If you think that I have a really good research idea, then we have research and development cell. If a student thinks that I want to go for armed forces, then we have armed force cell. If you talk of NCC, NSS, so you talk of GATE students, okay, the students who want to pursue their higher studies at India also, or even outside India also. So at Parul University, we have formed different kind of cells which provides the platform to the students so that they can do best in their particular field.
That's true, sir. Now, just one more thing. What key qualities do you think that computer science students specifically must develop to succeed in the modern industry?
Specifically, computer science and engineering students should have the coding skills. This is very important. They should be able to run their code on whatever the platform, whatever the language they have. But they must be able to run their code, so that because there are many companies who ask not only about the logic or problem solving ability, but they also ask about their coding skills.
That's true. Earlier, when we were discussing, we were talking about some data management. So, how do you think right now the data is affecting the industry?
Data is everywhere right now. It's all about data only nowadays, because you talk of any field, any interdisciplinary field, any multidisciplinary field, or any field even in only computer science and engineering, it's all about data. Just think that in artificial intelligence, we remove the data. It's of no use. Just think, I don't have the data, then what I will store on the cloud storage? So data is really important. Somewhere in 15 years back, the data was called as a oil. But nowadays, if you ask me, data is the new way of earning the money. People do earn a lot of things, and it has become the currency also.
Thank you, sir. Your insights were amazing.